Hi, can we build a low-cost incinerator with a used industrial barrel? Yes, we can do that. Some types of waste are not recyclable and handling it is difficult. Here we have a solution. To make this we need a used barrel, steel mesh which is available in hardware shops, an angle grinder or cutter. If angle grinder is not available you can use hacksaw blade. Cut 4 lateral holes on the barrel like this. Here we insert our mesh. Cut the steel mesh like this. The mesh must be cut less than circumference of the barrel, and projections on 4 sides will help us to fix the mesh inside the barrel by inserting in the holes. There must be a decent size hole on the bottom side of the barrel. This is to ensure the proper air circulation. Oxygen is essential in burning. Your simple DIY incinerator is almost ready. Now can use it to burn the waste or even use napkins. If you burn napkins first burn the waste. After fire started put napkins in it.